Yo! Hey, what's good? It's your boy Dubskie, the Vanilla Killer, aka Hot Chocolate, aka Chocolate D, aka Mr. Too Hard. Yeah, this hard game right here. And we black at it with another banger. Oh shit, girl. Hey, we still alive. We thriving in America. Still safe. Yeah, still here. But we taking it to one of our favorite countries now as well. This is a part 2. Italy. Heard stuff isn't going that great over there. Stay safe. Stay locked in a house if you got the coronavirus. We're taking it serious over here as well. We know we reacted to Packy last time. Shout out Packy. If he's got other joints we need to check out, let us know, because that shit was fire. I got a few DMs and I saw in some comments that y'all wanted me to check out somebody else, and I'm with it. Oh yeah, man. I'm with it. Slings. I think it's a group. I don't think it's just one person. And they look American. It intrigued me, and I felt like doing it. I feel like doing it for my Italian subscribers. Probably don't have much to do over there if they locked in. Yeah, I don't know what to expect, but I'm expecting dope shit. Yeah, man, hoping for the best. Let us know what's good over there in Italy. Like I said, praying for y'all. Wish y'all nothing but the best. My expectations are high with that Packy track. Glad that y'all got more artists out there. And, you know, keep the recommendations coming. Stop it. Let's get to it, man. Enough talk. Let's do it.
Vanilla Killer, ho.
Healthy is healthy.
What? Hey. Yeah. Hey. It's like the baby beat. It's like that bop shit.
I'm saying.
Bro. They look American as fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You look like Stormzy nigga.
You really do,
Right?
Yeah.
Ate them J's. Yeah.
Yo, it's kind of lit.
Yeah. Freaking ASAP right there. We got the SoundCloud rapper in the middle. Yeah. Whoa. ASAP Rocky. Bro.
Not every single character.
Yo, man. Is this like a spoof of American rappers, or are they for real right now?
Straight out of like
Cali.
I'm saying.
Bro, that's, what's his name? Ice Narco? SoundCloud rapper?
He's like a little whiter.
Let us know if this is for real. I'm fucking with it though. I'm glad y'all recommended me this, because I needed to see this. I mean, it's dope, but I feel like it just got the beat off YouTube and it said the baby type beat.
You already know.
But hey, I'm fucking with it. I'm not hating. I like it.
It's lit.
I like it. Let's go. Bro, who directed this shit? Fucking, what's his name from Instagram? King Vader?
I'm saying King Vader.
Yeah.
It's like a skit.
Henny.
A lei piace come ballo coi miei homie. Giro per la city perché sto cercando i money. Ho la sticky dentro i pantaloni.
Let's go.
Yo, this video is dope.
Messo i denti nuovi. Scatto questi haters come coni. Spacco nel locale anche senza i tuoi milioni. Come Johnny Bravo faccio flexi. Vedo la tua bitch che mi commenta tu sei sexy.
Yeah.
Tu sai che se vedi si prende calci. Non ti saluto per
Bro, that guy was flame, man. Little ASAP right there, man.
Little Travis.
Or Travis. But right there, he looks like ASAP. Jesus, man. I'm fucking with this heavy.
Yo, this goes in.
New favorite Italian track. Deadass.
Straight heat.
Let's finish hard.
sporchi le mie Nike. Frate tu ci provi ma non spacchi. Voi dite no cap ma tanto poi non fate i fatti. Lei lo sa.
Yeah.
Faccio un move.
What is this?
I like that.
Let me learn this.
Non voglio snitch.
This shit on TikTok.
Se fai lo snitch, facciamo bang. Con la sticky, con la sticky.
What are they doing? It's a battle.
Come Scooby, nel mio blog.
Yeah.
Con i miei bro. Bevo
Henny.
fumo cookie.
Whole lot of kids.
Let's get it. Yeah, how old are they?
Jits. Beating up on my boy.
Damn, that shit was fun. Sling Gang, produced by LT. That was a dope ass beat. Fire! What the hell? Bro, man. Y'all need to fly me out of Italy. ASAP. I didn't know Italy was really like that.
We could be in the street right now.
Bro, we should have been in that video. We would have been perfect in that video.
Come on now.
Deadass.
Of course, not right now. But...
Yeah, I wouldn't want to go over there right now, but as soon as we get this damn virus taken care of, I'm with it. I'm taking a trip over to Italy.
Straight fire over there.
That shit was heat. I mean, I fought with Packy heavy, but this was some shit that hit closer to home. Like, I could really bump this shit.
Definitely.
In the whip, like, in the club. Like, I could party to this joint, so appreciate y'all, man. This shit was dope. Once again, I send all my condolences to everyone in Italy that's affected by the virus. At least y'all got some heat to listen to out there. Damn. Yo, that's straight flame. Let us know what else we need to check out with them. If they got more joints, if they got more videos. That was a straight 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, man.
The flow, the beat, the dancing, the visuals.
Oh yeah, the video is hilarious.
That shit was epic.
It's perfect.
That shit was my kind of style. So respect, man. That was lit. It's late out here right now, but y'all just hype us up. So
we enjoyed that.
Y'all gotta let us know what's up with these kids. I guess that's a whole squad. How many people are in Slings? Let us know. Translate some of that, and yeah, keep recommending more Italian artists. We're messing with it. Let us know if there's any other rappers up and coming, but definitely keep us posted with Slings and Packy, because I'm liking them.
Definitely checking out his catalog.
A lot. Yeah, I'm about to check him out on Spotify, all that shit. So,
oh yeah.
Respect. Once again, stay safe out there. Appreciate y'all. Follow us on social media, Instagram, TikTok. Man, it's looking like those were some straight up TikTok dances in that video. I need to get up on it.
I'm saying.
What was that? That was a damn Scooby-Doo.
He's playing like the keyboard, huh?
Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all that shit. Subscribe. Check out Awkward African. Appreciate y'all, man. Nothing but love. Stay safe out there. We gonna hold it down. We gonna be safe. We gonna keep it healthy. We young, we fit, we in our prime. Ain't no virus getting us down, alright? Appreciate y'all. Gang.
From America
to the rest of the world, we out, baby! Our gang, let's get it. Yeah.
I'm at the bar where the chicks be, taking shots.